Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your sales funnel with ClickFunnels, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your sales funnel with ClickFunnels, start by logging into your ClickFunnels account. Navigate to the dashboard and select the funnel you want to verify. Click on the funnel name to open it. Once the funnel is open, review each step in the funnel to ensure they are correctly set up. Check that each funnel step has a proper name and a clear purpose. Next, click on the first step in the funnel to view the page settings. Review the page settings for accuracy. Make sure the page is published and has the correct domain attached. Check the URL to ensure it is functioning properly. Proceed to the next step in the funnel and repeat the same checks for the page settings and URL. Next, test each link within the funnel. Click on buttons and links to verify they lead to the correct destinations. Take note of any broken links or incorrect redirects, and make the necessary adjustments. Return to the funnel overview and check the email integrations. Verify that all autoresponders are correctly set up and connected. Make sure the email triggers are properly configured for each funnel step. Next, test the funnel by entering dummy data in the lead capture forms. Submit the forms and confirm that the data appears in your autoresponder or CRM. Continuing on, review the sales process within the funnel. Test the checkout process by making a purchase with a test payment method. Ensure that everything from the payment page to the confirmation page functions as intended. After testing, revisit the funnel overview to check the analytics. Examine any traffic sources or metrics provided by ClickFunnels. Make adjustments based on your findings to optimize performance. Once everything has been verified, consider running a full marketing campaign. Monitor the funnel's performance continuously for further optimization. Your sales funnel is now verified and ready for potential customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.